And this one is
Healing
called
Vitamins.
Yeah, Healing with Vitamins. And this is a magazine exclusively about this. Hold that for a second. I love this magazine so much that I actually had to go out and buy the book. And I actually, what I'm going to talk about actually has something to do with a part in this book, so I've actually flagged it. So let me discuss a little bit about what's in this here. Did you know?
No.
I didn't think so. It is best to take your vitamin supplements with a meal because all the vitamins and minerals are much better absorbed with food. Did you know that?
Well, I know that a lot of your vitamins and minerals are absorbed through water breakdown. There are a few that are fat soluble, but most of them are water soluble. So what you're doing when you're eating them with food is you're enabling them to stay in your body longer in your system so they can be absorbed instead of gotten rid of.
Food releases digestive enzymes necessary for vitamin absorption.
Well, of course, everything needs to be digested, and if you put just a vitamin down there, it'll go plop, and it's going to fizz a little bit, and it's going to move on its way down. If you have a lot of food in there, and it just sits in the nest, and it starts to dissolve, it has time to break down more. Whereas, a lot of times, if you just take the vitamin, all you're gonna not even get through. You're not even gonna get through the gel cap.
Did you say plop?
Flop.